Hey there, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to increase the text size in the Wikipedia app on your Android phone. Whether you're reading articles for school, research, or just out of curiosity, having readable text is essential. Let's make your experience. First, open the Wikipedia app on your Android device. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, tap on App Theme. Now, find the font size slider. Simply drag the slider to the right to increase the text size to your preference. Finally, once you adjust the font size, the change will apply instantly across the app. And that's it. You've just made reading on Wikipedia easier and more comfortable. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more of our helpful tech tips and tutorials.